Login failed on Wealthsimple Tax SimpleTax Fix. You sit down to finish your return in Wealthsimple Tax, hit login and suddenly error. Login failed. Frustrating? Absolutely. But most of the time, this is a quick fix that doesn't require tech skills or support tickets. Here's how to solve it fast. First, check your internet connection. Wealthsimple Tax depends on a secure and stable network. If you're on a weak Wi-Fi signal, switch to mobile data or toggle airplane mode briefly to refresh your connection. Next, make sure the app is updated. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search Wealthsimple Tax, and tap Update if available. Older versions sometimes can't connect properly to the update Wealthsimple servers. Then, manually type your login credentials. Don't rely on autofill. Most people get this wrong because stored passwords often contain outdated or incorrect details. If your password doesn't work, click Forgot Password to reset it. If that doesn't fix it, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Wealthsimple Tax Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, simply uninstall and reinstall the app. This resets any corrupted data that might be blocking the login. Now, check your phone. If you're using one, turn it off. Wealthsimple Tax uses high-level encryption and strict location checks, so logging in through a masked or foreign app might trigger an automatic security block. If none of these steps work, try logging in from the Wealthsimple Tax website. If that fails too, it's likely a temporary server issue, especially common around peak tax season. Just wait a few minutes and try again. So, the next time you see login failed on Wealthsimple Tax, don't stress. Update your app, type your password manually, clear your cache, and turn off your phone. In most cases, you'll be back inside your account within minutes, ready to finish your return without missing a beat.